Leetcode solving section, and this problem is basically what we want to solve today is to find the bottom left tree value. So someone give a binary tree, and you need to find the leftmost value of the last row of the tree. So this is 1, this is 7. So basically, all you need to you can view this problem as first you need to find the deep list tree, the deep list leaf, and then you choose the leftmost. Okay, it's very happy that you can solve this by using the previous code that we already solved, called the binary tree level order traversal. Okay, so basically, if you don't know this, how to solve this, you should go back to my previous video in my channel. You just type this, you can get an answer. Basically, using this level order, then basically you will get a list of lists, and each list is just the row of the row of the tree. So in this case, the leftmost is 15. So we just return the final element of the list and the first element. Okay. So we just copy our level order code into this, and then we call it the level order. Then the list -1 means the deep list leaves as a list, and then we return the first element. Okay, so once you can solve this binary BFS search, then you can solve this very quickly. Okay, and very straightforward. And okay, so that's it. And I will see you guys in the other videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.